What on earth has the Irish-speaking clock got to do with leaving Richmond bacon to mature?
15 and 10 seconds.
Simple. To achieve that delicious Richmond taste, we've learned that only the most precise timekeeping is good enough. Mature to perfection. New Richmond Irish Cure. Simple bacon inspired by clever Irishmen.
Free with Tomorrow's Mirror, a 12-day Christmas and New Year's TV guide for every reader. Get your hands on a copy in Tomorrow's Mirror.
They're coming! Be quick!
There's a new kind of Kellogg's Rice Krispies with a bit of a buzz. A scrummy hint of real honey. Let's hear it for Snap.
Crackle!
Oh, pop! And... Buzz. New Honey Rice Krispies from Kellogg's.
Christmas at Rosebeers. Good living at great prices.
Don't miss our special Christmas offers.
I think I've fallen in love.
18-pack of Stella Artois, $6.99.
Yet, Scandinavian for value.
P-A-R-T-Y! Have yourself a party. 40 of the biggest party anthems, including All Saints, Touch and Go, ABBA, Donna Summer, Steps, and Moose Tea. The biggest party anthems on the best party album with the Backstreet Boys, Los Del Rio, Whitfield, and Village People. Party, the album.
We don't all share the same kitchen, but if we did, you'd find we're not so different in the morning. On with the kettle, out with the coffee. Nescafe Original. Pure coffee in a cup. How could it possibly get any better? Well, we'll tell you. We've made a richer coffee. We've made a smoother coffee. Those special beans now release even more flavor in your cup. Just when you thought it couldn't get any better. Richer, smoother Nescafe Original. Good morning.
Tomorrow, House of Fraser are taking millions of pounds off thousands of items in fashion, homewares, electricals and furniture, but only for one day. So if you don't go tomorrow, you'll miss it. The House of Fraser One Day Spectacular, tomorrow from 8 till late.